Checking out our content here at National Gear Repair. We are a manufacturing center. We work on all brands of gearboxes and pumps. In today's video, we will be checking out a repair we did on a gearbox. An old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer find inner components for. We can reverse engineer and manufacture inner components, such as shafts. We manufacture all gearing such as helical, herringbone, split herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, bull gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We also offer 24-hour emergency rush repair to make sure you get your gearboxes back into production. All mechanics at National Gear Repair are Timken bearing certified and Falk School certified. All bearings are installed utilizing thermal expansion and physics to shrink the shafts with liquid nitrogen, allowing for an easy installation of a superheated bearing that locks into place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember to share this video. National Gear Repair has your back.